Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to invite you guys to join me while I plan at a cafe. Before we head out though, I wanted to show you guys all the stationery supplies that I'll be carrying with me. As any other stationery lover, I have a lot of supplies and going to the cafe requires some downsizing. So let's start with the writing supplies. Although while I plan, I don't use a lot of pens or markers. I do plan to sit and journal there, so I'm carrying a few Tombow markers, then a few Muji pens, along with just the regular supplies that I keep in this pouch, like pencil and all that. I've just been really liking using colors in my journaling lately, so that's why I decided to carry all of these pens that you see here. And I've been really liking this roll up pouch a lot. I did not think that I would like it, but I've just been using it almost every day, and it's great to carry it while you're going out anywhere. So that's one. And then I'm carrying these sticky notes, although I did not end up using them. And my main stationery supply while I plan are stickers. And I'm so happy that I decided to cut out all the sticker sheets that come at the back of the planner so that I can carry anything I want to. And here I'm going through all of the stickers that I've accumulated, mostly I guess from 2020 onwards. And I decided to carry these botanical story or Aranya planner stickers. I have been saving them since last year, and I thought this week would be good for that. And then in this particular planner box, I keep all of the stickers that are available on my website. And this too, they are in the form of sticker sheets, so it's easier to carry whenever you're traveling or you need to plan at a cafe like this. So for this particular setup, I will be taking the self-care sticker kit. And then for the functional ones, there are a lot of variety that are here, the watercolor ones and the colorful boxes and the designer ones. So I'm just trying to have a look at all of the stickers and just carry the ones that do match the Aranya planner stickers and the botanical story stickers, because I really like my spreads to look cohesive. So I decided to carry the dainty designer one and then the India boxes, because I feel like the colors do go really well with that. And these are the stickers I'll be carrying. For planner, I am taking my ink bucket planner, and I'm also carrying my journal because I plan to journal later. And for the first time, I am using this folio from ink bucket that I received as a freebie in the 2023 launch. I just kept this in the storage along with other pouches and bags and all that. But today I will be carrying this folio. I just slid the back of the planner into that slot, and then on the left side I added all of the sticker sheets, and I also added the sticky note thing in here. So it's pretty good, and I was actually surprised that even after the thick planner, it did end up fitting the notebook that you saw there. It is from Happy Wagon, and I use that for my journaling, so it worked out pretty well. I put all of the pouch and this folio in this Alicia Souza bag and went to the cafe to start planning. I did end up finding a really cute spot, and that was sort of a little bit away. It was tucked away from the rest of the cafe, so I did get my privacy, and I really had a nice time. This was actually my first time planning at a cafe. I have sat and journaled, I have read books, but carrying all of these planner supplies and setting up my weekly planner, this was my first time, and I'm so happy that I can take you guys along. And for this setup, I will be creating a spread in the first week of March. It's a fresh month, and again, I can't believe it's been 2 months already in 2023. I just feel like we have just set up our new year goals and had a look at all the planner reviews. But anyways, we are already in March, and I was just feeling a little bit bored, so I decided to put on a YouTube video while I plan. Usually I talk to you guys when I'm setting up my planner, But since I was at the cafe and I could not really talk and there was a lot of noise there, I decided to play some YouTube video while I set up the planner. And for the stickers, I did end up carrying both Aranya Planner one as well as Botanical Story one for the stickers, but I decided to use Aranya one because Botanical Story has a lot of florals and birds, and my February setup has been revolving around that, so I wanted a little bit of change, and I really like the colors as well as the variety of animals and trees and plants and flowers that were in the 2023 stickers. So I ended up using that. Along with that, I am adding the India boxes because the colors go really well. I do bring in the designer boxes a little bit later on. You will see that in a minute. But here I'm just adding all of these beautiful animals and flowers and trees and all that. Along with India boxes, I added these functional stickers from the self-care sticker kit, and I do add tiny boxes or tiny labels on each day so that I can add any highlight or any main thing that I want to stand out on that particular day. It can be a really important task or a meeting, or sometimes I write after the fact that it has happened, any memory or any nice thing that happened that day. I just feel like it brings in a lot of dimension, some decorative element, but at the same time it's functional. And then I added a few icon stickers for my walk and then my weekly cleaning routine on Sunday. On this particular page, we do have a blank section because March 1st is on a Wednesday. So we have this empty spot at the top. We had this in February too, and I created a memory spread there. And for March, I decided to give this particular setup a try, wherein I've added a few stickers and I wanted to journal something here about my word of the year. At the beginning of the year, I do set up a word that I try to live by throughout the year. For 2023, my word of the year is trust, and I thought this would be a nice opportunity to just check in and see what are my thoughts around it now, and also write down a few of my experiences. And here is the final setup. I really loved how it turned out, and I think I'll leave you guys here because I wanted to have some lunch and journal on my own. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.